Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. So welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort in MySQL. Are you ready? Let's get started. So in the previous video, we learned how to connect to the database. We learned how to create database, how to create tables, how to insert data into tables, and how to delete or how to edit a table. So in this video, I will show you how to sort the data in a table in MySQL. Are you ready? Let's get started. So open my MySQL workbench. Okay. And now let's connect to the server, MySQL server. Type your password. I connected to the MySQL server. And now let's select the database. Okay. Okay, and let's select the movie man. Okay, movie man, and I have some tables. Use. We learned how to select. Okay, by using use movie man 2. Okay, run. As you can see, I selected the database, and now we have a lot of tables, as you can see here. Okay, and now let's read data from a table. Select everything from uh, from Vorstellung. Okay, and run. As you can see, I have some data into this table. Okay, as you can see here, I have a lot. And now I will show you how to sort the data into a table in MySQL. Okay, select everything from this table and order by. Here you can order by ID. Here you can order by price layer, by film or salt. So I will order first by ID. Okay, and let's run it. As you can see, the normal is from 1 to up, and now descending, DSC, we can define ascending or descending. Okay, now let's run this one. As you can see, yeah, and now you can change it ascending, and it will be changed. Yeah, that's how you can store data into a table in MySQL. Yes, if you have any question or just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer your questions. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.